Ah, great. All right, as far as what broke on my 2008 BMW 335i. Now, you know, having this car 7+ years, 158,000 miles, there are a lot of original parts that are still on it. Don't get me wrong, there are. So there are a few little things that I like to do each and every year on the car, and this is just general maintenance stuff. Don't worry about the SES light. Oh, those O2 sensors. I started rolling down my windows. Good, good, good. And then coming to my rear one. Yeah, that doesn't sound good at all. So the window regulator is broke in here on this rear window. So I'll need to pull off the paneling and replace that. It is a common failure, I guess to say, on the E90s. Now the reason why it broke is when I was putting down all 4 of my windows, the top of the window got stuck up here on the rubber piece. So what I like to do each and every year, each and every season, I guess to say, I mean, you could take some silicone, any kind of lubricant spray, wipe it down, get all up in there. See, before it was kind of sticking, now it's not. You know, different seasons, it could stick up through here. Different weather conditions, usually when it's really hot or really cold, just the changes of the rubber piece. And the problem is that, you know, all original windows, right? All original seals, nothing has really been changed or whatever, but obviously on the back one, it decided to break on me because it got stuck, and it just most likely either, you know, snapped the connector off the window piece at the bottom. That's how these regulators work. So DIY will come on the window regulator here for the E90. Pretty simple, you know, process to, you know, take it off and swap in a new one. So we'll be doing that here shortly. But yeah, things that happen really with you know, having a 2008 E90 BMW, right? Things just break. As simple as that, you know, keeping your window seals fully lubricated, so when that window goes up in that seal, it doesn't get stuck on it. Mine have been sticking here or there, and like I said, I like to do it every season, just go through all my vehicles that I own, right? And really spray them with either white lithium grease or a silicone. I know sometimes the silicone will wash out with water, but lithium grease seems to do pretty well, keep it in moderation and stuff like that, so that way it doesn't get stuck up in there. And so it is what it is, right? Owning an older BMW, you're gonna have these little nuances that happen. No big really issue there. They're fairly cheap to go and find a window regulator, so I'll just be searching on eBay or whatever and get one and get it here and show you guys just how easy it is to swap it out on your BMW E90. All right, guys, you know, thanks for stopping in. Got some more E90 335i N54 content here coming up. Actual giveaway that's coming up for the E90 platform. You know, be sure to check out my other informational videos that I have here on the channel as far as, you know, the BMW market. Look forward to the DIY here coming next. All right, guys, thanks again. Appreciate you sticking around. Check out those other videos, and we'll be chatting here soon. Take care.